Come turn am to the right side. Come edge stitch am now. You make sure say the other one are the other line. Same line in B with the other one. That's it. Come to stitch am quarter. Now make we turn am to the wrong side because say we want hem down the lining from top our zip. Make we first pin am. Now we don't pin am now. Then we can take our needle, come begin the hem am. So we don't finish our 8-piece fish skirt like that too. Maybe we can't go the ironing board. Go iron them. After we iron them, maybe we can check them on top of our mannequin. So we go first start to press the one way dey inside. This seam allowance we dey for the zip side. And we come first press. All this rough edge wey dey here, and I go use weaving machine weave am. You can't use weaving machine for the down. Your teachers go show you how you go do down. Now see as the flare come out now. They're very fine. Now we don't iron them. Maybe we can go try them for on top of our mannequin. So my people, we don't finish our 8-piece fish skirt. Now see them as a set for on top the mannequin. Look all the triangular flares where they there. How the thing they fine. You two fit try this one. You fit even use Ankara, come mix am with plain material. Or even if you use plain material, come mix am with Ankara. As you still like am, now you will come do am. You can take your material and your pattern. Come they make your pattern. Show them to your teachers. Come they make them. If they say they okay, make una cut and come they make them. As soon as they make them, now so your hand will strong well. In fact, your hand already strong. Just they make them. Come they do more projects, and as you can see, you go dey perfect.